Hello, I want to tell you about Tridify, our BIM publishing service. This is where you take 3D BIM models and publish them to the web incredibly fast. It's for anybody in the AEC professional market and any associated businesses that basically have access to BIM. So it's also for their clients and for their customers and also for their own teammates. But there are so many features and benefits, but today I just want to explain how easy it is to share a link. And for that, I'm going to elicit the help of Nico. Nico.
So, hi. I'm going to show you how to share the link.
So I go to my projects, select the model which I want to share, and there's a web publishing page, and there I can copy the link and just send it straight to Paula, like that.
So, back to Paul.
Hello. So here I've got the link on my email. I just literally click it and wait for the model to load. Now you can actually share this link in any way you want. You can share it via WhatsApp, you can post it on your social media channels, you can embed it in your website. You have complete control as to who sees it and when they see it. So that's great. But look, the model's already here. Let me tap on it. You can have a look around. So you could be anywhere on site, at your client's offices. Fantastic, you can jump straight in and so on. So there are so many features and benefits. You know, you're going to save time, you're going to save money. And you know, I just need you to pop to tridify.com and check them out for yourself. It's really cool. Cheers.